Coquitlam Sand and Gravel operates on Crown land, and we need to return this land back to Crown by 2021.
This site was an active sand and gravel operation for ready mix aggregates. It was shut down in 2011. Since then, we've been in reclamation of the site, closing our plant, taking our site down, and managing water.
Mantle Creek needed to be diverted. Its previous flow path, we had quite a bit of an erosion issue, and winter after winter, the erosion was getting worse. So Lafarge made the decision to divert the creek down this new section of land, and it has been grouted with concrete and 3-foot boulders to ensure stability of the slope. So by doing this, we've ensured that from top to bottom, the entire creek is now reinforced with bigger rocks as well as the grout to ensure we don't get any erosion of the native material. And it'll ensure clean water that enters off the hydro road coming onto the site flows clean from top to bottom.
This was a collaboration of multiple agencies, the federal government with the Department of Fisheries and Oceans, the provincial government and multiple ministries, and the municipal government, the city of Coquitlam, along with the environmental land operations group of Lafarge. This is one portion of the closure plan for Coquitlam Sand and Gravel. It was the realignment of Mantle Creek. We also have a huge slope stabilization plan to go on the remainder of the site, where we'll be importing 150,000 cubic meters of product to stabilize the slopes and bring them up to provincial standards. Along with that, we'll be doing reseeding and replanting of natural vegetation, so this can be used again for multiple generations.
Our responsibility to be environmental stewards as part of Lafarge is to ensure that we do leave our sites in better condition and a position than when we found them. The reclamation at this site is going to do just that.
The Coquitlam River at the base of the Mantle Creek is a salmon-bearing stream, so the waters coming down Mantle Creek itself require a high degree of clarity and water quality for the salmon-bearing stream at the bottom. Our 2030 plan focuses on how we can improve the sustainability of our operations and industry. By planning and executing rehabilitation of our sites, like what we've done here, we are able to return them to nature. The construction materials we extract serve to build better cities, and a properly rehabilitated site, post-extraction, builds better communities.
We've seen a return of the black-tailed deer population as well as black bears. We see the deer out there every day as well as the bears in the spring and the summertime.
As a leader of the industry, Lafarge wants to raise the profile on the environmental stewardship and the sustainability, because that is not going to just do good for ours in short term, but also doing good for the future generations. The team is very proud of what has been done. This is a very good demonstration of our environmental stewardship as well as the sustainability value that Lafarge commits to.